Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tech Talk. And let's start by saying thanks to all of my subscribers here on the channel. I want to personally thank you for everything you do for supporting the channel. Just so you know, we reached 5,000 subscribers this week. And once again, it's thanks to you for subscribing to the channel. As I keep saying, the channel keep growing. So for you, if this is your first time here on this channel, I want to welcome you also. Well, this is Tech Talk. Tech Talk is a channel where I enjoy sharing my personal opinions, information, and advice on tech whenever I have the time to do so. Today, I want to dive into a good topic about the ROG Xbox Ally. So the question is, should you get rid of the Xbox full screen mode and install SteamOS or Bazzite on your ROG Xbox Ally X? So now we all know the ROG Xbox Ally X is a powerful device, but there are some serious limitations when you're using Windows or the Xbox full screen mode, because there's a lot of issues with that. So for this video, I want to break down 5 reasons why you should swap, for the SteamOS or Bazzite, which will improve your gameplay with the device. So reason number 1, full screen mode is clunky, Windows is a pain, and SteamOS is fast. SteamOS, things are a little bit different. Okay, it is way quicker, actually way super quick, very streamlined. Your game's gonna load faster. The interface is designed for gamers, so you get right into the action. Reason number 2, okay, SteamOS is very gamer focused. I'm talking about the interface. Okay, it's hands down one of the best thing about the OS. Okay, the Xbox full screen mode is okay. It's a good step to get better when it comes to Windows, but I don't think it's put the gamer as the primary focus here. That's just my take on it. All right, because you still have to deal with a bunch of things with Windows. So, with the SteamOS, you got everything you need right there on the screen. Your games, your setting, your library, everything is there for you. Very accessible. Also, quick resume, man, this is a game changer for me when you're using the SteamOS on the ROG Xbox Ally X. Very quick, you get out of it, press, the power button, and you right back in the game. Okay, you don't have to wait for a bunch of stuff. You don't have to wait for extra time. It is a game changer when it comes to quick resume. You don't have that with the Xbox full screen mode. Reason number 3, you will get a performance boost with Bazzite or SteamOS over the Windows one. Okay. Reason number 4, customization and control. You can tweak your performance setting. You can adjust your power profiles. It's very quick. Okay, you can take command of your system. Okay, this is a huge deal for gamers. Well, Bazzite allow you to do that. Same thing with SteamOS. In contrast, when you stuck with the Windows Xbox full screen mode, you don't get nearly as much freedom to customize that experience as you want. There's some limitation. Okay, reason number 5, so really with Bazzite or SteamOS, the Xbox Ally X feel more like a console. Okay, and SteamOS really and Bazzite really made the device feel like the same experience you get from your Xbox, okay, or from your PS5. And when you stick with Windows in that Xbox full screen mode, you don't feel that. Okay, you still feel like, well, this is a computer, this is a Windows PC. You're still limited. You still have to worry about Windows. SteamOS is totally different. So there you have it, guys. Those are my top 5 reasons why you should go right now and download, install Bazzite or SteamOS on your device today. Okay, you're not gonna regret it. Your ROG Xbox Ally X will be more powerful. It will become a console. It will be more faster, more responsive. It will put you at the center of your gameplay, where you can tweak things as you want to, push it to the limit if you want to. So let me know what you think, guys, in the comments below. Have you ever tried to install SteamOS or Bazzite on your ROG Xbox Ally X? What has your experience been like? Okay, if you haven't yet, are you planning to give it a go? My answer for you guys is to give it a shot. It's not gonna break your device. You can always get back to Windows. Don't delete your Windows completely. Okay, you can still go back to it. As always, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for listening to me, listening to my opinion. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you like those kind of videos, kind of content. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.